watercolory holographic. God. Hello and welcome to the Crystal Palace, where we talk all things rocks, minerals, and crystals. Today we will be talking about this guy right here, Labradorite. First, we will go into a little breakdown of the physical properties of the crystal. Then we will go into the metaphysical properties of the crystal, and maybe we can combine the two to see what we can come up with. This is a very interesting crystal to work with. As you can see, it's got some nice reflective qualities to it. This particular piece of Labradorite is a purple or lilac Labradorite because the reflection is mostly a purpley tone. The most common Labradorites are like a bluish green that you'll see in crystal shops and places that sell crystals. So Labradorite is a part of the feldspar group, and it is triclinic, which means that it has 3 uneven axes in its formation, and I will show you exactly what I mean by that. If you look at this here, you will see we've got lines going this way across it. We've got lines going this way across it. And if you take a look at that, we've got a slanted axis here. We've got a slanted axis this way, slanted axis this way, and we've actually got a slanted axis going this way as well. And that's triclinic, so 3 axes that are slanted, and they don't have any right angles. Labradorite forms in thin sheets called lamellar, singular, and lamellae, plural. So what that means is we've got sheets that go one on top of the other, really thin. Between each sheet, you've got a very, very microscopically small space, and the light will get captured in there, and it will reflect off of and between the sheets, and so you'll get layer upon layer of reflected light, which will give you that watercolory holographic look to it. Depending on the elements that are dominant in your piece of Labradorite, that will determine the colors that is most reflected back. Labradorite corresponds to the throat chakra, the third eye chakra, and the crown chakra, and is associated with the sun signs of Leo, Sagittarius, and Scorpio. Its planetary correspondence is Uranus, and its elemental correspondence is water. You'll get the numbers 6 and 7 with Labradorite. If you look into the numerologies of those numbers, that will give you a little bit of a deeper dive into what those mean. I would also add the number 3 because of the triclinic formation of Labradorite. As for the uses of Labradorite, Labradorite is great for protecting your third eye, protecting your self-awareness, and helping you make a decision about something. It reminds me of the Judgment card in tarot because it helps you be removed, calm and collected, but also empathetic and able to understand the 2 sides or 3 sides or however many sides there are to a situation. Labradorite is also very good for protecting your overall aura, again because of that ability to differentiate between you and someone else, your emotions, someone else's emotions, etc. Going back to the crown and the third eye chakra, Labradorite often is used with dreaming. So if you're wanting to work with dreams, it can help enhance your dreaming retention capabilities. If you want to set up a practice, you can use Labradorite and set an intention with it in a dream journal. Maybe put your Labradorite on top of your dream journal, set the intention for the night, and when you wake up in the morning, write down your dreams and intentions, and the Labradorite is said to enhance the vividness of your dreams, or even just enhance the recall capabilities of your dreams. It's also used as a transformation stone. I haven't played around with using it for transformation in a general sense, but I have used it for transforming my abilities with my ability to know myself and speak my truth, coming back to the throat chakra, my ability to see into myself and into situations and see into my own personal depths, coming in with the third eye chakra, and also knowing my path and knowing my goals and desires and uncovering those and clarifying my direction, which to me is about your crown chakra and your connection to your higher self. Labradorite is also used as a willpower tool, so I think this kind of comes in line with getting to know your higher self and the crown chakra, because it enhances that connection and the awareness of your connection to your higher self, and that free will to choose the life that you came here to live. This particular stone, when I did a meditation with it to open up a communication and channel it, it had a couple of other properties that it specifically wanted to be used for. And I will make a video eventually about how to connect intuitively and communicate with crystals. If you're interested in that, let me know. But if you're looking for a book to work on your intuitive connection with your rocks, minerals, and crystals, I highly recommend this book, The Crystal Workshop by Judy Hall. I've had really good results with this. I think the best thing that it does is it just makes you fill out what you're thinking. You know, I think a lot of us don't realize how frequently we are communicating with things and we get thoughts in our head and we bat them away like, oh, that was random. Why did I think that? Or that's silly. Why would that mean anything? You know, we think we make it up ourselves, and in fact, we're really communicating. So just kind of going in blind, trying to pull out what I think it might mean, and then cross-referencing it with what other people have said and other traditions have recorded it to mean, really helped me build trust and differentiating my voice versus my intuition's voice. So this is a great book for that. And I'll actually read from my entry that I wrote for this particular piece of labradorite. Purple labradorite, heart-shaped, psychic protection, sacral cleansing, and heart opening. A light bearer in dark depths. So again, I did this before. I went and looked up what this means. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of resources on crystals and what they mean, what they're used for, but these are the ones that I've been using it the most for and that I've found it to be the most effective. Remember when I said that labradorite is great for aura protection in general? This specifically wanted to work with my sacral chakra, and the sacral chakra is everything to do about creativity, sexuality, money, all of that creative energy, the creative flow, and cleaning it up specifically. So this wasn't an enhancement, it was a cleaning away the gunk, cleaning away the core beliefs that have been feeding my creative energy and blocking it off. Interestingly enough, about a week or so after I picked up this stone, I hadn't yet done any research or even done the communication meditation with it yet, I began playing with watercolors. And again, the sacral chakra is all about that creativity and passion and just anything to do with bringing in something new, birthing something new, physical, spiritual, or just in your own head even. So that's a personal anecdote for you. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked getting to know labradorite a little bit. Please remember that this is a very short video. I am only one person, and I am speaking from my experience and my research that is limited by my curiosity on these stones and crystals and minerals. Please do your own research. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you've had your own Labradorite experiences. What things have you worked on with Labradorite? And maybe some ideas, what crystals do you want me to do next? I'll see you in the comments. Bye!